Uh, Hello, hi everyone, welcome back. So before working on the Qt, what are the things that you should know before working on the Qt? What are the some condition prerequisite condition that must require before working on the condition? So the first condition that you should know is C++ programming language. So you have a good command on the C++ programming language because the Qt work on the two languages, support the two language. One is the Python and one is the C++. So mostly we work on the C++, and in the C++ you have a strong knowledge on the pointers concept, because everything that we are going to use in the Qt is a pointer, because in the by using the pointer we can create the dynamic memory. And another thing that must you should know about the inheritance concept. Go very deep in the inheritance concept, because in the Qt there are so many places where the inheritance concept applies. And you should also know the oops object oriented oops concept. You must know object oriented what is object, what is class, how to create the class, how to create the object. In Qt everything work around, because in Qt everything is work around the object. So what of everything, if you see anything there, so it work around I will show you in the next video, but in the Qt everything is work around the object. And you should know how to write a object of the class and call the function using the object, how to call the function using the object. So these are the some basic thing that is required before working on the Qt. And you should also, one thing that you should also know, that the access specifier concepts, like the what is public, what is private, what is protected, what happen if I declare the data member and function in the public, what happen in if I declare any data member in the private, what happen in the protected. So you must know these things, and how to write the code. And the last thing, that you have to write the code in two different file, like the header file and cpp file. So here if you see that there is a header file and there is a cpp file. In header file we are only declaring the function, but we are not implementing the function. And here we are in the cpp file, we are implementing the function. So you should know this, how this and the last, you must have a knowledge on abstract class and virtual function. So these are the some prerequisite condition before working on the Qt. Thank you so much.